I know they hear you.
And
Yeah.
you and my colleague, you completed the business.
Yeah.
So you have paid them or what?
Yeah, I paid him. I sent him 27 million.
27 million.
Yeah. So he thinks I'm a fool. He called back to check whether Metri and Adam into, and I told him I've paid.
DJ Paco Lynch.
Oh yeah. On the world, make it juicy. Paco Lynch, young boy. Very. Nipanyo, suro nipene jansama na nipanyo.
Yes, it's a fu nyimpenye so I are string nyimpenye jai samai. Ha, you fancy YouTube or from a pack to the rich. But me you best share in komobia or bob because fraud will come hano you real. And sometimes on your day bia wadwini nyuwa na de smart and educated into they can't outsmart you. The level of fraud that overcome Hanoi a very complex scheme. Schemes are we using a very complex. If you underrate them, they will fraud you. And see, this is my story. It happened today in the NOC, and I want to share it with you. I'm also a download donation we. I am building a studio for a client. Who been here? I mean, or a vlogging studio, podcast studio. Now, who been here? There, you been a air conditioned was studio ho, and see, mukwe check a Westels showrooms in Azo, but it was quite expensive, 5,000, 6,000 as in and a boyas and a pa. And see, I decided to check online for other alternatives. Ninti mananam online ya neja, mukwe store beer was a price in a cheap pa or ye 2,700 a watcher negotiable and a trailer what's so the performing pa obey ye and a type and also your condition your brand new TCL or on your Brandon in Tina menua Japan eja me friend one a day. I want to buy the air conditioner or advertiser for now. Or your 2,700. And a guy is okay. On your problem, it be available. Na what clear warehouse. And see no who be here there. What about to tell one yamado? I'm away to Marco. So understandable they maybe like Matsana say in Fantafuna Brofia. Matsana say there. Oh, so what clear warehouse in a water on the 2,700 are. On your bad because market price in 3,004 na 3,005 na zintina chere nyansa wo. No you start negotiations na me so okay me peda wo your delivery na mitria on the point I will be delivered. Now what's one from brand and I'm so one from brand Westell small no so okay. On no warehouse into ni colleague ko Accra Central or showroom ho. Inti Obama ono wa handle business na wa arrangements ema delivery car na zaba and I'm so no problem once I was baba the money is ready oba motion ka wo no so no drivers no ya wan shada anje woni in the last obi di woni ska gwani inti mo wodu wa na ma ye payment mobile money payment am and I'm so no problem on send a normal na account name or dadon mam. And also okay. Ne other colleague in our showroom will take in charge. And so I know them details. And then the colleague in from few minutes after. And also Obama was the air conditioner but in Swaba. I shouldn't pay the money to the driver. Na munchi sikan manfama unwan wo mobile money do. That's what he told me. In some also Mr. Fine. At the end of the day, was the air conditioner but I'm checking a BBI you okay? Name ono on your problem. In some few hours. And a guy called from different on my frame. There. I mean, I was the air conditioner, Bremen, I may war plus FM West Hills, and I'm missing you. More into 1.5 AC number, more by I'll make the payments, and also no problem. Or I'm a driver, and driver need to hold a frame. It's a matter what's one may trend that drive above from drive a am from a da. It's more one and yimpana, mayanara cassan, or from a do, drive on a se or ho, into no money, into my friend, na many payments a man. Na onye nti ehwa na meko share driver me share driver no so air condition wo ne car ne mu na me friend Shark Mr. Shark me best friend me nyane wo West Hills one and yen kwa check AC nyem boy box na do yen hu there or ye correct AC bibia kama and see I would like to show you some of the screenshots of the conversations I started having with him and see when Ocham accounts normal many mobile money in Guru and driving also a friendly daily on any normal no 020 and momo so accounts and on and all when and see already on the details in our mama dada but driver and bodu when I check air conditions na you the BBI fine and BBI okay now. To be honest with you, I wasn't so sure of them. Inti Mr. Shark bedi madasi ye boy air condition box no do ye make sure that onyazi that will be another bibi na wa packaging for the brain. And in fact, it was a good AC, well packaged. Or your inventor AC. And obi onyim air condition be a work inventor AC onyim there or quite expensive. So I started, having some feelings that hey, the inventor na worth on 2,700. Well, okay, let me go on and do my business. Inti, maybe your payments and something prompted me there. Mimbisa driver a day. On free nyimpa odze enyamana man day. Yenye payments ningu eba nomado. America train na ma atwemu phone. My ready to make payments. And a driver and a free. Nyimpa owner of the shop no the AC na man. No man the different no man no the man and or your merchants no more friend is Pack 1 Ventures. Inti e wana minya feeling bi kakra nyimpa no more on the mama da muntua ne ye ansa woso no meza mama da minye payments ngudun yes Pack 1. So I called the first guy and so mami muano minye payments in to ne normal so then I suspected a foul play. And I maybe say, driver a day, how much in the new panel the air conditioner man or cementia? And also, new panel cementia 4,500. And I'm so no agreement. I mean, in panel in your 4,500 also 2,700. Inti there is mix somewhere. I know you'll be delivering or what's our brema na there. When a papa na store ni yanizan, my friend back. Zozia condition my driver and motibe my friend back. And I'm beside a boss. No man it's a middle order war. And your man me catch the Fabra Westelson. Send a mama na me no sending no my mom or sending no my mama no muhu de. Or your guy na. The one that I spoke to in the morning, Nenoma. Then we suspected that there was a foul play somewhere. So the complex of A&E, what they do is that they have created accounts on JiJi, which is an online trading platform. They don't have any shop. When you shop, when you post an item, now I have a picture of the item, and I also will repost. Then the price of the goods we're reducing. So at 5,000, I know what's that baby at 4,000. so that it would attract a lot of customers. And these are adverts that has been promoted into other in Winantam. We're investing, they are still in career. Now, what they do is that they will call the normal now on our shop now auto air conditioner there. Somebody another, I want to buy air condition. This is my location. Bring it to me. When you get to the place, I will pay. Then the shop owner would authorize his people to deliver at that location. They will also speak to the client who is buying the air conditioner there. They are bringing the air condition, but make the payment to me. So now, what do they know? And you don't do all the necessary checks, and you make the payment to Wana. The payment will not go to the shop owner now, or the air conditioner delivery guy and another driver from Bra. It will go to them, and then the air condition original owner, another the shop owner, a friend of this and the Sikana bar. And it's true. And then you start having issues with the driver because I have made payments. This is my air condition. Let me take it away. And now then confusion. Clearly, I was smart enough to detect that fraudulent activity in our earlier before even make payments. And that is the only way I save him. And yet, Dama, in 2,700 cedis is gone. Why so? And this brings me to the question there. Then what is the point? What is the essence of this? Even though people can make mistakes and all that. But if still people are using MTN, they are using mobile money lines to do fraud. Now, it is still registered. Then what is the point? Natural registration of SIM cards na sense no day inside. But that is not even the case today. Zamiri to find them when you are buying stuffs online, be extra careful. Yimpa order delivery at Zenebebano. Ask him to call the person or the bay. On what the price are other than a month and verify anyhow, any means, any number of times they Nimpanarian cousin on the original owner of what you are buying before you make the payment, else you will lose money and you'll be in serious trouble. Maker say I have to voluntarily pay for the delivery man's fare, which is 100 Ghana cedis. As an American, Mansanka, I have lost 100 cedis. But Madame Yamiase, this can import 1K 2,700. And by now, Mr. Gumeti Fide. So you have to be very, very, very careful, extremely careful when you are dealing with people online, or you're dangerous. It doesn't matter your level of education. It doesn't matter how intelligent you are. Sometimes it is very complex. May assure there will be fantastic. Now the interesting thing is that after what you're doing in a read, Mubodu Fiana core frame, original Norman American, and this is what he said.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, boss.
Yeah, to say.
You are going to complete the business with my colleague.
I know they hear you.
And
Yeah.
you and my colleague, you completed the business.
Yeah.
So you have paid them or what?
Yeah, I paid him. I sent him 27 million.
27 million.
Yeah.
So he thinks I'm a fool. He called back to check whether Metri and Adam into, and I told him I've paid. Until you between on and a yankun. Who is telling the other the truth? I don't care. They should go and fight. They can kill them myself. But for now, I only lost 100 cedis. And that is a fucking thing that happened to me today. And because of this thing, and Mankasa, Madam Hondo, this will never happen again. Thank God.
DJ Paco Rich.